Jai Hind. Making money in any business is a complex process that requires a combination of different factors, including a solid business plan, effective marketing strategies, strong financial management, and excellent customer service. Here are some tips that can help you make money in any business. 1. Conduct market research. Before starting a business, it is important to identify a viable market and understand the needs and preferences of your target customers. This will help you to develop products or services that meet their needs and create a competitive advantage. 2. Develop a solid business plan. A well-written business plan is essential for any business, as it provides a roadmap for success. Your business plan should include a description of your products or services, target market, financial projections, marketing strategies, and operational plans. 3. Manage your finances effectively. It is important to keep track of your expenses and revenue to ensure that your business is profitable. This involves creating a budget, monitoring your cash flow, and controlling your costs. 4. Focus on customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for any business, as it can help you to build a loyal customer base and increase sales. Make sure to listen to customer feedback and respond to their needs and concerns. 5. Stay competitive. In order to succeed in any business, it is important to stay ahead of the competition. This involves keeping up to date with the latest trends and developments in your industry and adapting your strategies as needed. Remember, making money in any business requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By following these tips and staying focused on your goals, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial objectives.